There are certain types of paper you can flush down the toilet, and others you mustn't. Allow me to demonstrate and then explain why. Household paper towels are not flushable. The brown paper towels you find in bars and restaurants, the ones right next to the sign that says, please do not flush the brown paper towels, are not flushable. Shop wipes are not flushable. Jiffy cloth type towels are not flushable. Cocktail napkins are not flushable. Makeup removal pads, cotton pads, feminine hygiene products are not flushable. Into the blue toilet water. Let's flip this around. Tissue paper, even bamboo tissue paper, not flushable. Bum wipes, even the ones that say flushable, not flushable. These say not flushable. These say flushable on the front with an indicator to read the back saying might not be flushable, not flushable. In reality, the only type of paper which is flushable is toilet paper because it dissolves almost instantaneously in water. Why? How? Well, the answer is way more complex and elegant than I would have thought. There we go. Toilet paper is composed of cellulose pulp, basically wood, with short fibers. The short fibers initially bond together in long chains through polar attraction. Water is also polar. So when these fibers are saturated, as in a toilet bowl, the ends of the cellulose chains attract the water molecules which work their way between the cellulose bonds, weakening the paper. The bonds break and the paper dissolves into very small bits. As you can imagine, these very small bits work their way easily through your plumbing. Also, certain countries, you just don't flush toilet paper. Turkey, Greece, China, Montenegro, Egypt, and some parts of South and Central America, because sometimes the plumbing just can't handle it. Basically, if there's a bin right by the toilet, chances are toilet paper goes there. Remember, when in doubt, poop in compliance with local regulations. There's a t-shirt there. There's a slogan. I'll work on it. Come on.